How to upload songs on Spotify that are not on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will give you some tips on how you can upload songs to Spotify that are currently not searchable and listenable on Spotify app. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it depends upon what you're actually talking about. If you're searching for a specific song of other artists and then you don't find them in the Spotify application, it's most likely the Spotify artist or that specific artist don't have a Spotify artist account and they have not uploaded their music to Spotify, and it's, let's say, only available on YouTube and so on. Now for that, there's nothing really you can actually do unless the artist actually posts those songs themselves. You as a third-party client will not be able to go ahead and then claim access to all of those rights and all those copyright claims. So you will not be able to do that if you're not an artist. However, you can actually listen to songs that are on your phone on the Spotify application. So let's say on the Spotify app you search for a specific song, you don't have that song, but you have that specific song downloaded on your phone, right? Well, in that case, you can go ahead and listen to those songs on Spotify. Now you might not have known this, but I'm going to show you how you can do this. So for that, just open the Spotify app. Now currently on Spotify, if I come to the Your Library section, you can see these songs are some of the songs that are only available on Spotify. But let's say I want to go ahead and listen to songs that are on my phone as well, right? So I'm going to come to the home page here. Then I'll tap on the gear icon on the top right, which is the settings cog icon. Once I do that, I'll scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then what I will do is I'll just go ahead and then turn on the section that says local files. So right over here you can see local files. It says show audio files from this device. What you want to do is just add tracks from this device into your library. So just turn this on. It'll ask access to your music and audio on this device. Just allow it. Once you turn on this toggle that says show audio files from this device, and then you come to the Your Library tab, you can see the new playlist over here at the top that says local files. When you open it up, you should be able to see the songs that you have downloaded on your phone and then listen to them on the Spotify application over here, as you could clearly see. And this is how you can listen to songs on Spotify that are not on Spotify, but uploading them as an artist is a different matter. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.